Thanks, Sana. My name is Nida, and I'll be presenting Consumer Goods Cloud session today. A little introduction about myself. I'm currently working as a team lead at Cloud Junction Advisors, and I'm Salesforce certified administrator, sales cloud consultant, and a CPQ specialist.
That's
So
great.
today I will be covering what is actually Consumer Goods Cloud. Hello,
You?
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can listen to you.
Okay, great. Today I'll be covering what exactly is Consumer Goods Cloud and its capabilities, the customer profiles and retail stores, the products and related retail store products, the visit execution app that is given by Salesforce, the store order management, Salesforce Maps that helps you for the routing and everything. Later, I have some summer releases, and then we can have our Q&A session. So to start, what is Consumer Goods Cloud? It's basically for all the consumer goods segments that you are selling to your customers, whether it could be food, beverage, personal care, health, or beauty, and much more. And it allows the brands to align with channel partners and effectively in one platform. It actually helps your sales managers with insights and analytics to improve more opportunities for each of their customers and to empower field reps to execute their visiting retail stores. Um, they actually accelerate growth to planning to execution, everything in one platform. Main Consumer Goods Cloud capabilities are they manage key accounts. That you can see 360 view of your customers, your sales agreements, and it helps. It gives analysis on visit execution and helps field reps to prioritize their visits on based on smart recommendations. It optimizes field executions. It helps field reps to route their visits with Salesforce Maps that helps to drive efficiency, minimize downtime, and empower your field reps to sell more. And it accelerates time to value with industry apps and many integrations. You can scale your digital transformations across your entire organization. While coming towards sales customer profiles and retail stores, customer profiles are basically captured in accounts, and it includes all the business accounts, including its business billing and shipping payment information and store hierarchies. Later on, with one-to-one parent-child relationship, it has retail stores that captures information about the physical location of the retail store itself that can help the sales manager or the field rep to plan the visits and sell products. There are other little granular details also captured on retail stores that are operating hours, preferred visiting hours for each day of the week. It includes store priority and how critical it is to maintain the brand presence in the store. And it also have preferred delivery method, such as delivery by van or truck. It also have preferred delivery frequency, that how many times you want to deliver your products to different retail store, whether it's monthly or weekly, or you can even have deliveries on daily routines. Next, we have products and store products. Basically, product is a catalog that you are selling to your customers. So each product record in Salesforce is stored as a part of product object and constitutes as an SKU or a sellable unit. A store product, however, is the products that are associated to specific store. For example, you have Imtiaz or Nahid or 7-Eleven that have specific store products that they are selling to the customers. In-store location is where the product is placed in the retail store with retail strategy. And this is how the products are sell. And the most famous or the most popular products uh, are placed on near the checkout counters that are called end caps, and it helps monitoring the shelves to ensure that the products are always well stocked. It categorizes small similar locations such as aisles, shelves, and it helps planograms. You can plan your planograms, how shelves are categorized, how they are placed, how products are placed on one another. Then you have store visits management. A visit is basically an act or an action that a field rep takes to the retail store and perform different tasks over there. For example, a field rep can capture orders or check the inventory. It can see the promotions or the planograms, arrange planograms as prepared at the store. So it has the store visit object itself has certain key attributes like the place. It's actually a foreign key to the address or the retail store, connecting to the visit and the retail store together. It has a lookup for a visitor, for example, a user or a people, user or a contact lookup that would tell who the internal user or the field rep is. Then it has planned start date and time, and end date time. Where when you are actually planning your visit, you'll plan that I am going to visit this retail store this week at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So this will be your start date and time. However, when you go and actually visit the retail store, you'll do the visit execution. The actual start date and time will be captured right from your mobile phone. Then you have visit priority, whether it's medium or it's high, and the status, whether the visit is planned, it's in progress, or it's completed. Then you have store order management. These are the standard Salesforce objects, order and order products, that when a field rep places an order during a store visit, a new order is captured in ordered object, and all the products that are related to that specific order is captured in ordered products. And this is all done by your mobile phone. Then we have Salesforce Map. This is basically a map-based interface that visualize and track stores in your territories. This helps your field reps to track their routes with minimal time travel and with high priority as well. This th- this actually optimizes routes with field reps with just few clicks. This came in. One of them is Consumer Goods Scout Visiting Execution app. At first, this app was only in your mobile phone with consumer goods license, but now it's for since it's COVID times and virtual visits have been occurring more frequently. So they have a given desktop execution app as well, which doesn't require a field rep going physically to the stores. It has all the capabilities that it can capture order right from the desktop app. It has other surveys options. For example, if a field rep is thank you, Sana. So it has similar options for carrying out the task for capturing orders or taking the surveys, moving out more promotions for the products. It has all those capabilities in desktop app as well. The only thing that it cannot do right now is you cannot scan a product in this app while you are ordering your products at a specific retail store. The next update is Salesforce has now given Consumer Goods Scout setup assistant, like they have given for the Salesforce Lightning or Lightning Scheduler. So you have step-by-step guide to set up permissions, prepare your org and everything with correct documentations so you don't miss any step, and you have correct setup done for your org. Later, there are smaller enhancements. That one is assign a store to multiple store groups. For example, a store can be related to, at first it was a store could only be related to one retail store group. That means it was first capturing one store at one time. A store could be a proper retail store, or just a clothing store, a garment store, or food and beverages, but now it can be related to multiple store types. The next is active and valid products available for placing orders. For, for now, at first, all the products active or valid. Active means the product was active in the product catalog, and valid means whether the product was associated to that specific retail store. So at first, the field reps had to scroll and search for the right products, but now only active and valid products will be seen while placing an order. And then you have create valid product orders, that whatever the account currency would be, would and the products that have the same account, the same currency, will be shown while doing the product orders. Well, with that, I'm done with my slides and presentation. Sana, you can continue, or if anybody has any questions, we can go to the Q&A session.
Thank you so much, Nida. It was really nice to have your presentation. And I just want to ask people, if anybody has any kind of question, please ask. Okay, Nida, I just have few questions because I am basically a new person for this field of Salesforce. So, what is the advice if you about your presentation and everything? What are the basic crux you want to share or you want to advise to the newbies of Salesforce? How to pursue a career towards that, or how to pursue things towards that can lead up to that level where we can, actually utilize the things that you are sharing with us.
So this was basically Consumer Goods Cloud. It's a bit of a complicated scheme. It has a bit of complicated schema, but to get started, I think you should go for first platform. You should know the platform itself, the security and the schema, and then go to sales and service, because they're much easier to has the admin capabilities. And how does this differ from Sales Cloud? Well, Sales Cloud is how you manage your accounts and customers with their opportunities and their products. However, Consumer Goods Cloud is specifically how you do your retail execution, your visit execution, to how you sell your products to business of retails, and how your field reps will be going to those retail stores for giving different orders. It actually helps your field reps for visit execution, and how they can get to this visit execution, and for the higher management to have the visibility on how their team members is actually performing on their visits.
Okay, so let me say that this is the basic business practices which are actually worthy for the company to execute. So we are actually talking about the actual business processes that is important for the companies.
Yes.